everyone, it's Ariella. Welcome back to Work Daily, the channel that helps you turn frustration into career success. Today, I'm going to share some reasons that you might be miserable at work and how you can fix that. Just a quick reminder before we get started. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want reminders, be sure to hit the little bell. Okay, let's get started. Do you wake up on Sunday mornings already dreading to go to work the next day? Does the thought of walking into the office make you feel sick? If this sounds like you, it's time for a change. The first step is identifying the problem. So we're going to go over a few things that could be causing some misery at work and how you can fix them. 1, you're not challenged enough. When you don't feel challenged in your role, you can become bored, disengaged, and even complacent. As a result, you can end up resenting your role over time. If you feel like you're not living up to your full potential, take steps to change that. Take on new assignments, present new ideas, and just try something to challenge yourself. 2, you're overwhelmed. On the flip side, if you're miserable at work, it could be because you're completely overwhelmed. This can result in stress, anxiety, and irritability. If you feel like you never have enough time during the day, find a way to manage your tasks better. 3, you haven't upskilled. Is everybody getting a promotion except for you? If so, it might be time to upskill. It's incredibly important to keep up with your industry and stay on top of trends. Some ways to upskill include taking an online course, signing up for a workshop, attending a course at your local college. 4, you're not working on projects that energize you. Every once in a while, we all have to do tasks that we don't necessarily like. You might hate talking on the phone, but if your job requires you to talk to a client every now and then, it's not the end of the world. However, if you find yourself spending all of your time doing things that you hate, the balance is clearly off. This is where you run into problems. If this sounds like you need to manage up and find ways to focus on projects that you love doing. Life is too short to be miserable at work. Don't wait another year to be happy. Evaluate your situation and take steps to improve it. If you think it's time to start looking for a job but you have no idea where to start, check out our free job search tutorial. It'll outline all of the things that people do wrong in their job search and how to avoid them. So, what's made you miserable at work in the past and how did you fix it? Tell us in the comments. I hope these tips help you find happiness at work again. I'll see you in the next video, and remember, if you want to win, you have to work it daily.